Would you love to create a delicious, lovely, beautiful, and healthy strawberry and vanilla cake? Today, I am so excited to share with you how to make a raw vegan strawberry vanilla cake, which is, as always, grain, gluten, sugar, and oil-free. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otokuchi Life. I am Mana, and on this channel we learn how to be more beautiful, elegant and healthy from the inside out. If you love the topic of becoming more beautiful, elegant and healthy from the inside out, please subscribe and join our like-minded, high-vibration community. Today, I am very excited to share with you one of my best cake recipes. This beautiful, lovely, delicious, healthy strawberry vanilla cake is perfect for celebrating birthdays and coming up Valentine's Day. Let's get started. C'est parti! Aujourd'hui, un gâteau s'il vous plaît. For the tools, please prepare a blender, food processor, and a cake pan. Even if you don't have a cake pan, don't worry, I will teach you how to make cupcakes or cookie sand with this exact recipe today. Otokuchi Life recipe is always all about finding your own best style and creativity, so please enjoy watching until the end. For the rose frosting, please prepare a piping bag and tip. I love using Wilton 1M or 2D for a rose. You can also choose your favorite. For the ingredients, please prepare these. If you are following me, you know that all recipes are customizable and personalized, so you don't have to measure and prepare the exact amount. Please adjust to your personal style, taste, and preference. Always check the taste during the process. First, let's make the crust. Put about 100 grams of dates and your favorite nut in a food processor and pulse until it becomes like a ball. You can also make a crust just with dates and spread it on your cake pan. Next, let's make the strawberry and vanilla dreamy cream. First, if you are using almonds instead of almond flour, simply make the almond flour in a food processor until it becomes a flour texture. Then put about 50 grams of soaked cashews, 100 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of strawberries or frozen strawberries, some water, maple syrup, and vanilla into a blender and blend until creamy and smooth. You can adjust the texture by adding more water to make it very light or less water to make it very rich. This cream is so magical. Once it becomes smooth, spread it on your crust. Next, we will make strawberry vanilla jam. Put the rest of the strawberries or frozen strawberries, vanilla, maple or dates, and water in a blender and blend to your desired consistency and spread on the top of your cream. Usually after this jam, this beautiful cake is already done as a delicious strawberry vanilla cake, and after about 4 hours of freezing, it is perfect to serve. But today, let's take it to the next level. You can just pop the cake in the freezer and freeze it until you can easily remove it from the cake pan. Now, let's make some beautiful vanilla and pink rose frosting. For the vanilla frosting, put 150 grams of soaked cashews, vanilla, a little water, and maple in a blender and blend until you have a creamy frosting texture. Then take 1/3 of this frosting and mix it with beetroot, strawberry or raspberry powder to make it pink. How cute is that? I personally used beetroot powder, but if you have a strawberry powder, it's so perfect. After removing the cake from the cake pan, frost the cake with vanilla frosting and decorate it with a rose on top. You can circle the tip from the center to the outside to make it a rose. If you love other colors, such as yellow or blue or purple, you can try turmeric for yellow, blueberry for purple, and voila! This cake is visually pleasing and tastes so heavenly delicious. If you love strawberry and vanilla flavor, this is the best cake ever. For the cupcake, create a cupcake base with the crust and decorate with vanilla frosting or pink rose frosting. For the raw cookie sand, you can use a crust as a raw cookie and sandwich it with strawberry vanilla cream or vanilla frosting. This one bite will be so satisfying and fulfilling. I hope you enjoy this cake or even cupcake or cookie sand. If you made anything from the Otokucha Life recipes, please share it with us. I would love to feature it on this channel in the future videos. So please feel free to send any photos or videos to my email or Instagram. I am so excited to see your beautiful creation. If you haven't already, you can also download a free Otokucha Life recipe book from the description box. All the recipes are so easy to create and your body will thank you. To cultivate a beautiful mindset, especially for the beginning of this year, to make 2025 the best year ever, please watch this video and please be sure to check out the best course on how to be your true self. To dive deeper into discovering and creating the truest, authentically beautiful you, year, and life. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Until next time, stay beautiful and healthy and have a wonderful day, my goddess friend. Bisous bisous.